Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 65 Mustang Convertible. Man, this car is amazing. I was just out driving it. The sun shines great, the red interior, the white paint. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna get it up in the air for you so you can see the bottom. We're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna get in the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Mustang investment. So come on up, we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. The white paint's popping. The chrome on the front bumper looks good. The grill's looking great. Just an amazing ride here. Now these cars are real rare, and I think I'm gonna tell you that here in a minute too when I'm out driving it. But you know what? Most people drove these cars into the ground because these little Mustangs were just so much fun to drive around. Have a bunch of fun with them out in the sun with the top down. Got Magnum 500s on it. And look at this red interior. Man, is it pretty or what? Looks great. We got automatic shifter in there. The car does have air conditioning. Now, if you want to check out several pictures of the car with the tops up, you can do that at our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We even got a drink holder here for you. That fits down in there next to the seat. You can hold your drinks up. Everything about the car is amazing, guys. Beautiful paintwork, beautiful chrome on it. Get inside the trunk here and see what's going on. You see inside the trunk's nice and clean. Back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. Looks like it's got the original quarters on it. There's a spare tire in there. Looking great. Now you look down the side of the car, sharp as can be, straight as an arrow. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own this car. We don't do any consignment whatsoever. So we spend the time to check them out before we buy them. When we get them back here to the showroom, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you anything you want to know about this car. Now I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard. So what that means is you're getting my help helping you pick out your dream. All right, let's take this Mustang Convertible for a ride. I'll tell you what, these are probably the most popular convertibles on the planet. And to find one in good shape is really rare. I tell you what, so many of these cars just got driven and driven and driven until they were all worn out. I'll tell you what, this little white car is sweet. The red interior, driving great, looking good. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are shipping experts, so we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just call us at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to ship this car to your house, no matter where you live. Now if you want some help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. We got about 3 bankers we're working with right now, and we can hook you up with those guys. About a 15-20 minute phone call with them and we can get this dream parked right in your driveway. Now she's driving straight, look at that, going down the road, straight as an arrow, hitting the brakes, still stopping nice and straight. Get around the corner here and we'll take a look at the dash. You can see the gas gauge is reading. We got the speedos reading here, temperature gauge. We do have the aftermarket AC that came in the day. We do have the original AM radio in here. The dash pad's in good shape. Just an amazing looking car here. Now we're right outside the Motor City. We're not too far from the airport. So if you'd like to fly in and check out the car in person, we'd love to have you. Even though we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, we do love to have our customers come in and check them out in person. We just had a gentleman come in a couple days ago, flew in the morning, checked out his car, and then we flew him out right in the afternoon and then shipped his car out to him. Now we're about to do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up in the air so you can check out the underside of the car. We're gonna pop the hood, we're gonna take a look at the motor compartment. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Mustang investment. Now here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street. We got about 80,000 square feet under roof here. So call Tom, let him know you're coming in so we can make sure we got your favorite car right up front so we can get right at it for you. So stick with us, we're gonna get it in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this little Mustang now, and man, is it pretty under here. You can see it's got brand new exhaust coming out through the tail panel here. The floors have all been primered just like they were from the factory. You got an open 8-inch rear end here. Stock appearing mufflers here. Frame's in good shape. Wheel wells look nice and clean. Backside of the pinch weld here on the rockers looking nice and clean. Got all the plugs in here. This is where the screws are, or the bolts are to take the seats out. The frame members up here look great. We got torque boxes front and rear. C4 transmission, that's a 3-speed automatic, guys. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Now we got drum brakes all the way around. I see brand new hoses here. Looks like the lower control arms have been replaced, and it does look like the upper ball joints were replaced at one time because those are bolted in now. Radius arm bushings look good. The radiator bottom side here looks like it's brand new too. There's a sway bar here. We got a chrome pan on this motor. I tell you what, she is a sharp little car underneath also. Guys, let's look at wheels and tires. All right, my favorite wheel and tire combo right here, Magnum 500s. We got BFGs wrapping them up too. We got 215 6014s up front. Let's see what's on the rear. All right, out back here, it looks like we got 215 6014s back here, and again, brand new Magnums. Let's check under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 289. Now this car is actually a 64.5. Now the title does say 65, but that's what they all said. It was actually built in May of 1964, so it would have come with a 260 originally, but they've transplanted a 289 in it. It's got a period correct carburetor on it. The car does have air conditioning. It was born a Wimbledon white car also, so that's cool. It does have manual brakes, and it does have manual steering. It looks like I see a brand new fuel pump down there. It looks like a brand new radiator, a brand new Motorcraft battery in it also. Guys, the car is sweet. Beautiful restoration. The top goes down. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.